Well, let's take a look at the Euro USD for the upcoming August the 21st session, the London session. And let's go ahead and take a look at it. In fact, it's just been choppy, choppy, choppy in here, up and down, long like a dojis for the last day and a half. And as we go through the lower time frames, you can see that a lot of consolidation up during here on this resistance trend line. We do have a bit of divergence coming in here, as you could see. The MACD is waving lower, and if we can grab this trend line right here, we'll move it up. It's moved a little bit higher, and this is showing that there's some weakness in this consolidation, but it's really tight. It becomes very difficult in these really tight price actions to negotiate a trade. So probably one of the best things, even if we get down to the 30-minute, you'll see how tight it is. Incredibly tight, is we want to watch two levels. And we want to stay out of what I call dead man's zone. We're going to watch the level, the close above these highs here, and we're going to look for a close below these lows here. Again, a close, not a spike, not the market going out just for a few minutes and going out, at least on a 30-minute time frame, looking for a close below this level. We've had a trend line break. You can see that we've had a trend line break here. Slowly prices move down, and it hasn't wanted to commit. Two things we could watch for in alternative of price closing above these highs or below these lows is we have an alternative trend line coming in now, and we'll draw that in. It's kind of getting crazy with lines in here. We're going to watch for price maybe to double top and hold up here, or to break this trend line. So those are four possibilities for trades we want to be prepared for. Right now, there is not a really good trading opportunity. We want to be prepared for price to hold, number one, at this area, kind of double top up in here with the yesterday's highs, and then maybe start to fall back down. The other thing we'd like to see is maybe a close above this high on a 30-minute chart. That would be trade number two, looking to take it long. Trade possibility number three here is a break below this trend line, and then we could close and get in there early. For those of you who do not like trend line breaks, which a couple of people have emailed me and said they do not, then you may be wanting to sell a position that closes on a candle half hour below here. Be mindful though, when you close below this, entering a trade below this level here could be a lot of resistance like we've seen right in here, because you have a 200 EMA, you have several exponential moving averages, and you have a weekly 50% Fibonacci level. So to me, it really, even though there's four possibilities, I think the three strongest are number one, again, selling a possible double top up here since we have some MACD divergence as well. Buying on a close above this level on a 30-minute chart, or close below this level on a 15 or 30-minute chart on this trendline break to the downside. So that's what I see shaping up for the Euro USD in the upcoming session. See how choppy these markets are. If you get some pips, take a large percentage of your trade off the table and keep some on to run to see if it goes further. That'll be a wrap for the Euro USD.